Hey everybody, today we're going to fix that annoying problem of Chrome eating up your RAM and slowing your whole computer down. Let's start with Chrome settings. Once you are in, look at the left main menu and click on performance. At the very top, turn on memory saver. This is a game changer. It automatically puts your inactive tabs to sleep and frees up RAM instantly. Now scroll down to the system section and turn off continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. This stops Chrome from quietly using your RAM even when you are not browsing. Here's the real game changer. Press Shift plus S to open Chrome's built-in task manager. Then click on memory footprint column to sort everything. Now you'll see exactly which tabs and extension are hogging the most RAM. They will float right to the top. Just select the ones you don't need and hit the ink process for instant relief. Next, let's tidy up your extension. Click the three dots at the top right corner, go to extension, then manage extension. Disable or remove anything you are not actively use. Each extension quietly runs its own background process even when you are not using it. And that's it. Follow the steps and Chrome should feel noticeably lighter and faster. Hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thanks for watching. Take care. Tata.